And then that
Multiply
makes it
both sides by 8. Cross multiply, we have
that
m
makes it m equals one.
is greater than 8.
Oh, oh, what?
So m is greater than 8. So these are the values of m greater than 8 and less than -6. Is that clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now let's do number 2. Now for number 2, since they are combined over here, it's one statement. -1 is less than 9 plus n is less than 17. You have to solve it at the same time. So before we go to number 2, let's go to number 3 first. Let's do all the ORs muna
Okay.
para you can try it first. Try number 3 first.
Okay. Wait. I can see. Okay. I can see.
Number 3.
N or F.
You can state on the screen if you want, or you can just give the correct answer.
Is it 10 over 2x?
Mhm.
It is actually 10 over 2x.
But
Sure.
pag dinivide mo pareho ng 2x, mawawalan ka ng x, magiging 1. So you just divide both sides by 2. Remember how you solve for this separately,
Oh, wait.
right? You solve x is less than 10, and you also solve x over 2 is greater than equal to 3.
Okay. So, wait. Sure. I have to cancel out, right? Mm, so, yeah, it's 2x over 10 over 2x. Hello, Che.
X. If you divide both sides by 2x, you won't have x on the left-hand side anymore. So in order to cancel, in order to leave just x, what do you
You have
divide?
to, you divide 10. Oh, no. You divide 2 over, you divide 2.
Divide both sides by 2. So if you divide
Okay.
both sides by 2, what do you get?
So you get x, 10 over x? Or, yeah.
This is over 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2.
Oh, it's 5.
X is less than 5. This is the first answer.
And then the other one here is you have to divide it by over 2. Wait, what? You have to divide by 2 also?
Do you divide
Or you multiply
by,
2.
so if you multiply by 2, what do you get?
So it's uh x 6 over x.
No?
2 2x? 2x? So it's 6 over 2x.
Yeah, but it's 2x over 2. So for this side,
Oh, you have to divide.
what do you get?
Which is 2x over 2 is 6 over 2, 2x over 2.
No, 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 no. You just will cross cancel, diba? Butterfly method.
Yeah.
So you will only have x. 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1x is greater than equal to
This one greater to 6.
6. These are your two answers. So to graph, you have x is less than 5,
So that should one's higher.
and then x is greater than or equal to 6.
6.
Okay.
So,
Next,
so the right one's higher.
yeah. Let's do number 6. Sige, try it on your own.
Okay, okay. So, chain number 4, right? Voucher.
What do you do for number 6?
Oh, number 6. Oh, sure. You have to get the first one first. So it's cancel out 5. Rachel, you have to cancel out 5 for the first one.
Okay. So what happens?
Chain becomes R. So it's R plus 5 over 12. So it becomes R over 7?
Oh, bakit over? This is greater than,
Or greater than or greater than?
So you minus
R,
5 from both sides, and then you will get r is greater than or equal to positive
7.
negative,
Oh, positive, positive.
positive 7. How about for the
Okay.
other one? What do you do here?
Sure, this one is you have to multiply it.
By
So 9. So it becomes R equals 0 still.
not
Or R, no,
equals,
0 is greater than R.
r is less than 0.
Yeah,
Okay? So to graph, r is greater than or equal to 7,
7. And that
r
one's
is less than
lower than 0.
0. Now you will notice here na one is circle, one is shaded. If it is less than or greater than, you just circle the number. R is less than 0, circle the number. But if it's greater than equal to, it means the number is included in the graph. So you equal to 6 in shade, equal to 7 in shade. Okay? Now let's do number 2 and number 5. Okay. Now if you have a combined or a compound inequality like this, you have to solve both sides at the same time. All right? So what do we mean by
Yeah.
that? So let's write it down first. Negative 1 is less than 9 plus n is less than 17. Now look at the computation or the equation in the middle. How do we isolate n? What do we cancel?
She cancel out 9.
By, do we add,
9.
subtract,
Subtract.
right? So minus 9. If you minus 9 from the middle, you have to minus 9 from everything.
From negative 1. Could be negative 10.
Okay? Yes. So negative 10 is less than n is less than what?
And it's less than 8. 8.
Is it 8? 8. Okay, so this is your answer. Now if you graph it, you have n is greater than 10 and you have n is less than 8. So n is greater than negative 10. That's over here. and less than 8. This is the graph, the end of the graph. So the answer is all numbers between -10 to 8. Okay, this is how you graph it. Now let's do number 5. You solve it and then you graph it. Okay, number
Okay,
5.
okay. Which it's negative. It counts out 2. So it's -2 minus 2. It's, sure, is it -2 or greater than p greater than -5?
What do you do to cancel p over 2?
You minus it by no more. Oh, it's multiply. Okay, so it's sure it's 0 is greater than p is greater than -6. Right?
Okay. So what's the final answer?
Sure, it's 0 is greater than p is greater than -6.
Okay, so you multiply all sides by 2. So you have -6 is less than equal to p is less than 0. Graph. Show the graph.
Okay, so sure it's wait, 0. Wait, how do I explain p again? I actually forgot. Is it like p is like
Please
3
put
like that, sure?
the
It's like
numbers.
that.
Yeah, yeah, pretty much.
And then it's low. Oh, I know. Okay, I know. It is lower than -2. Wait, so 0 is greater than p. There, p, and then this is, oh, -6, right?
Yeah,
Oh, wait,
negative
no, it's
6.
stay here. Stay here, and then here is p, and then -6. Here, check that.
Yeah, so we shade -6 and then we circle 0. This is the value. I'm going to save this report